Hi. I don't know if I sound this uncomfortable in person when I say hi, but alas, hi. Welcome back to another video. I'm gonna use a lot of Fenty products, try and recreate a purple makeup look that Rihanna has worn. Saw the look, liked the look, why not recreate the look? So alas, I did in this video, so keep watching. Maybe I should redo my hair. Oh, what a waste of time. I just started recording my hair. It's disgusting. I never wash my hair, but I at least need to look like I do. Okay, hello. Fenty Beauty's a real good time and I love it. I stumbled across a really nice picture of Rihanna with purple makeup. I'm usually not a purple fan, not super big on the purple, but in this picture, Rihanna looks awesome. This whole look is such a vibe. So I wanted to give it a go. Honestly, right now, I should be doing anything but I'm procrastinating and filming a video instead of prepping for life. My brows are pre-done.
Thinking
Maybe I can just get them out of the way and do them first. I'm not sure how I'm gonna put foundation on around them and make it look good. So in saying that, I'm gonna start with some primer because people prime and so I feel like I should too. I'm gonna use the Fenty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. I'm mostly using Fenty products. I feel like the more Fenty products I use, the better the look will turn out because why wouldn't she be using her brand makeup anyway? Why do people pre-do their brows? I'm gonna use the Pro Filter Hydrating Primer to go with the primer foundation because I love to match. It is very hydrating stuff. If you want to look sweaty, would recommend this one. I like a good sweaty looking face. Makes me feel like I've just worked out even if I haven't. I feel like this might be a little bit too light because I did just tan. That's why my arms look orange. Wow, my hands look super orange. I haven't washed it off yet. Disregard that. No intention of going anywhere because it's almost 4 p.m. and we don't leave the house really ever. The current dilemma that I have is this little family that's growing on this little section of my face here. Looks like I've got a little growth. Skin will just start flaking off through the day. Jez will come up to me and he's like, you've just got a little on your, just right there. Maybe just get it. Great. I'm like a reptile. Besides that, how do I get around my brows? I don't even know if I've got foundation meeting the line of brow. Also, the foundation is not orange enough, so hopefully bronzer can help with that. Speaking of, let's bronze after we conceal. Tarte Shape Tape Fair Neutral. I'm gonna contour my nose with the Fenty Matchstick in Amber. I also have the shade Rum, quite a lot warmer and a little bit shiny. I think I'm gonna try and contour with it. Well, I'm bronzed. I did over bronze and my face is a little bit wrong. Now that I've bronzed it a lot, I'm gonna bronze some more. Another Fenty bronzer. This is In the Sun, a powder bronzer. If I'm in a rush, or really anytime I'm not using this guy, which I haven't used that basically ever. So I'm just gonna go over the top of that with this one, only because it's the Fenty product and I wanna use it as well. I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier setting powder. My face looks like carpet. Feeling good about it. Powder just always makes you look a little bit more airbrushed. What's next? Highlight. This little Kilowatt Hustler Baby highlight. It's adorable. I've been using it quite a bit. I've hit pan. Now for the fun part, moving into the purples. I have the new Fenty, what are they? Snap Shadows. These are pretty new, I do believe. They're these little 6-pan shadow packets that I think they're designed more for travel. They just clip together and away you go. One is just the normal neutral tones. 2 is cool toned neutrals. Basically, purple. Figured I'd just dive into this purple to get I'm gonna start with this top purple. Wife it up. Wow, what a shade name. Yeah, not really purple though. We're just gonna go straight in with the purple. It's Hey Auntie? Yeah, Hey Auntie. She does kind of have a bit more of a crisp line. I'm not really feeling the crispness. I think I'm gonna go with the Getting Toasty. I'm just gonna smudge that out in the top lash line. Right, I don't really know where I'm going with this. Not sure it looks good. I feel like I need more. Why does it look so good on her? I don't really know what she used or how she did it. I'm gonna take this pink color here, Upper Class. I'm gonna stick that on the inner third on both. This isn't exactly the same, but I need it to have a bit more pizzazz. I'm gonna take a very overwashed brush, that same pink, and dust it over the top. I don't know if that's worked, but she's kind of got the purple all the way up around, and then she's got it down her cheeks, like highlight, which is gonna be a little bit of a problem because I don't have a highlight like that. I have these tiny shadows. I'm gonna start with the pink. I'm gonna dust it around down my cheek, and then we're gonna go from there. That was a little bit strange for me. Painted both the pink and the purple onto my cheek like a kid stealing their mum's makeup, smearing it all over their face. I'm gonna finish off the eyes. I don't have blue or purple eyeliner. I'm just gonna go with black, then cobalt blue mascara because she's wearing blue mascara and I wanna wear blue mascara. I didn't use a liquid liner, I just used this black pencil liner. I did that so I could kind of smudge it into the purple. Let's try out this mascara. I don't think I would ever wear this in normal life, but I love it. This is where we've landed with the eyes. Before I continue to ruin this, I'm just gonna add some more. I've got a little baby diamond bomb. Basically, it's like putting foil on your face. I'm totally down for that. Who doesn't want to look like your face is made of glass? It's nice not to feel human sometimes. I'm really not sure what this is, honestly. What have we done? I feel like I need to leave it alone. She's kind of got those like lavender purple lips. I don't have purple lipstick, but I do have the Fenty. What is this? This is the Summer Nights lip luminizer trio or some such. This one here is a bluey purpley color, which I thought would match this pretty well without actually getting a purple lipstick. I don't know if Fenty has one. They probably do. They probably have that exact thing, but I couldn't get it, so I didn't. Because it's iridescent and color changey, figured it'd really match this face situation. It is in mermaid thighs. What a fitting name. I feel like a mermaid right now, and I have thighs. Well, that feels blue. I'm gonna put that down and not reapplying it. Feeling very glad that I'm not going anywhere. This, I believe, is it. We did it. I did it. You're watching. With your support in the future, we did this. We nailed it. On that note, this was a great waste of time. Really glad I chose to do this over everything else I could have possibly been doing and now have to do. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you did like this video, like the video, subscribe maybe, and bye!